Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, if you are a returning subscriber at day one, thank you so much, my dear, for your continuous support. I really do appreciate it. Guys, today it's a Tuesday and I am starting off this vlog. There's really not much that I want to do. I just wanted to open this girl with you guys. So no, it's not an introduction. I got a little something from Platinum Life. I don't know if you guys remember Platinum Life. Those free presents, Isabel Gracia and what. I thought those things are over till I received a call from them. They said someone nominated me, and someone, thank you so much for considering me, and I got a little something. They give you an option to choose, so I chose a perfume. That is what I am going to be unboxing with you guys, and we are going to catch up on vlogs, and I don't know, we'll just see how this vlog unfolds. Honestly, I have nothing happening in my life, but we have to show up. We need to show up. That is what is happening. I hope you guys can see me because I am using the back camera, and you know how it gets with the back camera. So yeah guys, let us unbox this and reshebe vlog ya Koki Stone Mwanyana waka, like how she says it. I am currently watching her vlog, so let's quickly unbox this so that we can watch the vlog, and please subscribe to her channel. You guys will not regret it. You guys know it. Please check her out. I don't know if I'll be able to put her handle somewhere down there, but her YouTube channel's name is Koki Stone. You can also check her out on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok as well. Let us open this. Welcome to another day of this vlog, guys. It is 1,000 years later, like khale ke sa cookie camera and vlog. So yeah guys, welcome to 1,000 years later of this vlog. I did not post last week because I did not have enough footage, so I wanted to match that footage from last week and the footage from this week together. Excuse the lighting, it is a bit gloomy outside, so you know, no sunlight, but as a collab, it is fine. So yeah guys, I was saying that I wanted to match both videos, hence I did not post because this week I have a lot of content for you guys. I went to Foshini to check out a blazer that I saw Koki Stone. Yo, madia blazer ele ba gaetsone chelta blazer ele ke madi a bogadi 750. Yes. I'll keep on eyeing it until it gets on special. So yeah guys, today we're gonna go get a mirror. I am going to show you guys the mirror that I want to get. That is what we're going to do. And the mirror at that store is white. They have ran out of black, so we're gonna buy it yellow, and then I'm gonna come home and spray paint it black. I'll show you guys where I want to put the mirror, and I hope you guys will have an idea of what I wanted, like what type of mirror I want. Yeah. And we're also waiting for a delivery of a new fridge. I have updated our fridge because fridge you know, humble beginnings. It was that, so I kept on saying that I need a bigger fridge. I need a fridge that would say Mpomlambo. So we got that. We're just waiting for the delivery. I hope it'll be delivered today. If not today, it'll be tomorrow, but I'll show you guys the current fridge that we have. And yeah, guys, that's just that. Let me show you where the mirror is going to be, and I'll show you guys the fridge, and we'll take it from there. This is where I want to put the mirror. It is those oval type of mirrors. I want to put it here. Excuse my nails, I still have to go do them. And this is the laundry that I am doing. My boyfriend is home, hence the luggage and the laundry. This is all his laundry. Excuse that. Let's focus here. The mirror is going to be here. It is a Pinterest idea that I saw. So I want it to be black on the edges, but I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. And we're gonna spray paint it together. I think we're going to get pamphlets from Boxer just to cover the mirror on the inside and spray paint the outer part. It's not really a lot of work that needs to be done, but yeah, but we are not here for that. There's the plastic is it shows that so I still need to deal with that. But let's focus here. This is the fridge that needs to be changed. It is a nice fridge when you are staying alone because the bottom part is really small. Holds in the 5 kg and 2 trays of minced meat or wors. That's it. And my baby is not working, guys. I am using this one. Because how the alkaline from Zeras would damage your kettles. So yeah, guys, we got a double door fridge. I think it'll cover this part and this thing will go out. I don't know, I'll put it somewhere here. So yeah, I'm currently doing laundry like I said. Let us do that, and I'm gonna catch you guys.
When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Something unexpected happens, you can't let it go. Caught up in your own distractions, you already know that. I'm getting chills when they tell me you're not yourself. Trying to move, but it's hard, I'm out of breath. Nothing belongs to you in life. Oh, the picture of you cuts like a knife.
See, guys, we did go to the shop to get the mirror. There was just one problem. It couldn't fit in our car, so instead of us paying a baki to get the mirror here, my boyfriend decided to walk from the shop till where we are staying. So I will unbox that mirror when he gets home because he's still not yet here. If you stay in Zerast, I got the mirror at the Overland Ego Chicken Licken at Mafiking. That store used to be a kin suite. Nearly kin suite. So that is where we got the mirror. Initially, I wanted to get the mirror from Balabala, but go Balabala, it was a bit pricey. It was like 1.3, and I went to check it out. Go Unimad, or what do they call it? For Nelo K file. When I got there, it was not there. So one of the workers there told me to go to that overland. That is where I got the mirror, and they have quite a lot of things at reasonable prices. So the mirror there was $9.50. I did show you guys the price. The quality, I'm not too sure about the quality, but spili ke spili man, spili se reso go iteba. Ga o itshwanna le nna yana o di kobo tse di mo mageteng, you cannot afford a mirror worth of 5K go at home. So this is your best shot. Try them out. I will unbox the mirror as soon as he gets here with it. So yeah guys, that is just that. But it is what it is. I hope he will get home soon because my battery is about to die. Or when I finish with this clip, I think I'll charge the phone and then we'll just see. I'll show you guys the mirror though, and yeah guys, we'll catch up as soon as he gets here.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, 'cause I just don't know.
Outfit of the day. Kere, my OOTD.
You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't misbehave. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better, making me lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Too old to put on a show. Now I found a home. I'm filling my soul up with devotion and stardust. I'm bold, got it all in control. Now I know what I want, like a natural woman. You know.
Hi guys, welcome to another day of this vlog. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. And guys, I am unboxing something with you guys. Not really an unboxing, but I went to my favorite store, actually every girl's favorite store, Pep Home. I went and got something. I went and got I can't if you guys can see what it is, but we went here. This is the plastic bag. It's not that I bought a lot of things. I bought her. I went and got a different color. As you can see, I have them in black with white piping. Now I went and got the cream with black piping because I wanted to change the ones in our dining area or the sitting room or the dining room. Yeah, the couch is a bit dark, so I felt like having these black cushions, it's also a bit dark. So I got this color. We are going to put it there just to see how it's going to work. But in the meantime, I have this D3. I'll show you guys how they make the room look. This is 120. Excuse my nails. I also still have to go do them. It is 120 for one. And it is a 60. It's a 60 by 60. So I got 2 of this for the couch. Here's the other one. It's the same, still looks the same. And I also got 2 of this. It is this. They were the last 2 that were left, so that's okay. One is retailing for $29.99. It is 30 rand. Comes with a glass straw. I am not really a fan of smoothies and stuff, but I just thought having this like this when you are drinking juice or cold drink or anything would be super cute. Can you guys see? Yeah, this glass, it's glass. This straw is a glass straw. So I got 2 of them just in case one breaks and I have an extra one. I know my boyfriend wouldn't use this. That is not really his type of things. English, but lang. So we're going to put this cushion thing and see how it looks. And I also wanted to show you guys something and get your opinion on that. To decide on which to go for. So let us go to the couch and put those things there and see where this vlog is going, because this is supposed to everything is looking. These are the cushion covers. I've decided to add these 2 gray small ones. I feel like it is complementing each other. I just want to go get a throw like that in that beige color or like a cream white. I don't know. I want to get it at home so that I can change that one and then everything can look well seated together. Excuse this mess here on the table. I am going to sort that out. So yeah guys, what do you guys think? Please comment on the comment section and let me know if I should keep it like this or I should change it. But I feel like it looks more nicer and colorful. I love how it is currently looking. This is how the cushions look close range. This is how it looks. So yeah guys, let me know, and also let me show you what I wanted to show you. This is the situation that I was speaking about when I said I want to show you guys and get you guys help if I should keep this vase here or I should put a plant here. I am going to take the plant and put it here and show you guys how it looks. I personally don't like it with the vase. I feel like it's just too much and it makes more sense with the plant, but I am quickly going to go get that. And going forward, excuse that room, I am still sorting it out. going forward. It's really nice. Got the outfit of the day. Hey, Elena, with those mirror pictures posting on the gram. Let me quickly go get the plant and show you guys what I'm talking about.
Disguised as strength, but it self-sabotage my love, self-sabotage my love, cause of my own pain. No one's coming to.
This is how it is currently looking with the plant. I love how it's looking. I feel like it is more calm and a bit, nicer like this. Ke sa dirise verse ha ke itse le nagana yang bathong le dibala yang makgowa nthuseng ka go naganisana, but personally I like how it's looking. I feel like it's given that the TV stand, the character to stand on its own, and also here it's not too dramatic. So let me know what you guys think. This is me. Guys, look what has arrived. The fridge. I got interrupted by a call, guys. Our baby, my man and I's baby, is here. The fridge has finally arrived. Let me show you guys how it looks. Okay, wabonwa yimina ngahamba ngayothenga ifridge athi ha, a fridge. What a responsible young girl. If you know that La Tonko clip, that is what I am talking about. Let me show you. Here is the fridge. This is just the delivery. You see? Okay, wabonwa yimina. This is how the fridge looks. So situation right now, it's this. I unplugged this one because I wanted it to defrost so that I can clean it and take it home. And I'm gonna plug this one tomorrow this side because they said it needs to be plugged. Sorry, I was saying they said it needs to be plugged after 8 hours. So I'm just gonna let it sleep there. And these chairs, I'll just see where to put them for now. This is how the fridge looks. I'm gonna show you guys the inside. Let us unbox. Let us unbox our fridge. And let me show you. This is the other side. I don't know if the door will sit still for me to show you guys. It is closing. This is how it looks inside. And this is the side of the freezer. Obviously, you guys know this type of fridges. You've been using them. With this type of freezers, it is quite spacious compared to our old one. I'll show you guys our old one tomorrow when I clean or after cleaning it. And we're gonna take this one, this side, and just clean and close off the vlog. I want the vlog to go up tomorrow, so I'll catch you guys later tomorrow. Bye. If there's anything that's going to kill us, it's cereals economy. Tell me, why is everything here 600 rand? Zhuang, and this is just a introduction of seshabo sa ntlo. Yo, this for 600 rand. But anyway, let me show you guys what I got. I got chicken hearts and chicken necks. I love this. My man doesn't eat this. I also got chicken gizzards, 2 packets of chicken gizzards. I got 2 packets of chicken livers. And I just added to the chicken because one thing about my man, he can eat chicken from Monday to Sunday. He doesn't mind. I got 4 of this because this was the last pack. This was the last pack. I also got still water, Sprite for the hangover, and lately I am addicted to this. but it's fine. Sizofela impini. Got 2 of this. I also got myself some cheddar cheese and a double cream bliss yogurt. And your girl is going to relax, watch some movies or a series. Hence, I got the Sprite because I know tomorrow when I wake up, it'll be bad. Cyril's economy, all this was 609 rand, I think. Let me try and look for the receipt. It was 622 rand. All this. Juang. Kana kwa hangu kwaka 602 rand ne reka grocery yo tlele di pallet le di rice le di flour di le mo, but now go rekwa dio tse ka 600, and we're gonna go to Roots tomorrow just to add to this because my new baby deserves seshabo se sencha. Guys, we have reached the last part of the vlog. I am closing it off here. If you have reached this far, thank you so much, my dear, for your support. I really do appreciate it. And excuse my nails, I still have to go do them. And please don't forget to share the vlog with your close family and friends. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to comment, even if it's just with a flower or something. Just put something on that comment section and like the video. I am closing it so that I can start a new vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you loved it. I am going to see you guys on the next one. Bye.